they're leaving now.
After also coming?
No, she's just only dropping them. Guess what, where they're going? Mumbai.
Dubai, Mumbai. Dubai.
And it is
Mumbai.
Mimima's first experience flight, right? Plane and Mama yeah? Tata.
They never go to an airplane before, right?
What?
They never go to an airplane.
Yeah, so this is their first time experiencing it.
This is the difference.
Mm.
Dubai,
Not Dubai, they're just only going to Mumbai, not
Aha.
Dubai.
Dubai, Mumbai.
Are? Rhyming. What happened? Where's Mimi going ring? Going home? Danger, tell ate, danger. Where's Mimi going ring?
There.
Where? They're going on the plane.
Mommy, I'm going with
You go airplane. They are now leaving. What happened? Oh, Mimi Ma, where Mimi Ma going? Oh, you want Mimi Ma? Tomorrow they're coming back, okay? Tomorrow they're coming back, okay? Good morning, guys! Ngayon, nakikita nyo, nasa ibang bahay tayo ngayon, guys. Kanila Ate Marisa tayo. Since nga bakasyon ng mga bata, nag-sleep over kami dito. Kami dito simula nung Biyernes ng tanghali hanggang Sunday morning kami dito. Ew! Go and blow your nose there. Say good morning, Rain. No, the green. Oh yeah.
Mommy.
What is that, Day? Morning, junk food. Kita niyo dito chicheria.
Mommy.
Si Ate Marisa at si Mira. They're busy in the kitchen. Hi, vlog. Gabi man, Day, hindi ka pa nag-breakfast, nag-chips ka na, Day. Pura niyo. Nakanguso pa. We're going to the park, right?
Mommy.
You don't want to go to park? You don't want...
I'm a boy.
Oh, then put it back. You choose. Chips or park? Chips! Utakan pa ako. Ay, ang dami pala, ano dito ng ano nila, no? Nung pumunta tayo dito, tayo linis naman before. O baka wala, o baka naka-off yung maglilinis.
Ito wala siguro yung maglilinis. Baka nasa village.
Nasa village.
Narinig ka na pulot ka.
Pagubad na siya ng tsinelas. Remove it. It's broken? Oh no, it's broken. Oh. Where? You go that side, doon si ate. Dito kami ngayon sa park, guys. Enjoy yung mga bata. Are you enjoying rain? 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 Are you enjoying? Huh? Tunnel is there? Be careful. Watch your steps, okay? Go! Rain, it's okay, Rain. Sugatan si Rain eh. Macy? Where's your wound? It's okay. You feel pain? Pilay na sa Inday Badila. What happened to you, Wow? Okay. Where did you get hurt? Here? Huh? Oh, be careful. Okay? Are you scared? Oh. Puntang ko yung dalawa kong ka-date. Mga busy nagsiselfone. Busy-busy yung dalawa ko. Gusto nyo maupo doon, mag-ikot-ikot tayo. Diyan na lang muna. Yung mga matatanda naging bata.
In the hospital, I've seen first time in the biggest hospital for kids to play here, Asian Art Institute, Mumbai. Kids playing section. This is not like an hospital. This is like like a mall where you can sit and relax over here sometime. Taj Hotel. Beautiful view of Taj Hotel. And Gateway of India. Siddhi Vinayaka Temple. Heading towards entry. Siddhi Vinayaka Temple, Mumbai. Siddhi Vinayaka Temple. Market Road today, Saturday.
Alright guys, we're heading to restaurant dahil today is Mamaya's birthday. Doon siya sa Francine. How are you doing there guys? Si Halika daw nasusuka. Sabi ko malapit lang tayo. So tiis-tiis ka muna dyan. Hiluhin si Anika sa sa sasakyan. Kaya lagi kami bumabiyahe. Lagi ako nagbabaon ng plastic. Say hi girls. What you guys are doing there? Rain. 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 See there. Here. Here. Hi. Mamaya.
Ganda judo, sorry.
Happy birthday.
After that, Mommy, after that we're going to a mall.
No, mall mo dyan. So we ordered manchow for our soup.
And what else?
And ano ba tawag dito? Chili fish. one spoon.
Mama, is this now we're having so great stuff. Look how now, so it's like this is like restaurant. So delicious. This restaurant is called Antera. Antera. Bye bye.
కొంచెం వేస్తాడంట వాడు దాంట్లో. అదేనా?
Yeah, sure.
వద్దులే.
Go and eat na. So our next menu guys is, what is this? Pachi Mirchi Kodi Kebab. Yung mirchi guys means chilies. Which is ayan. What do you mean of pachi? What does it mean of pachi?
పచ్చి మీన్స్ క్రీమ్.
Cream? Okay. Kodi. Ito. Ito. May one piece. Oy! Explain then what is that? Chicken. Chicken, yummy. Baday! Nasa appetizers pa lang tayo guys. Wala pa tayo sa main course. Pero i-rate ko na yung una natin, yung isda. Yung chili fish. Masarap siya. This Pachi Mirchi Kebab. Sarap na siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-spicy. Pero yung manchaw nila kanina, yung soup manchaw nila, yung spicy. Manchaw yun. So they're changing our plates na because papunta na tayo sa main course. Yeah, please. So far, Vadina, how's the appetizer? How is the appetizer? The appetizers. It's good, right? Mamaya. Mamaya. Food bagundi? Not that much of spicy. Yeah. Food bagundi? Bagunda. అవును. See this one? What is that? It's nice. Wait natin si Mamaya. Si Anika. I guess this is the first time we treat Mamaya on his birthday.
ఫస్ట్ టైం.
First time right after
This is the
7 years. Guys, after 7 years, ngayon lang namin nakasama si Mamaya sa birthday niya. 7 years, oo, 7 years. Ngayon lang namin talaga siya nakasama sa birthday niya. Kaya, i-treat namin ng bonggang-bongga. Right, Rain? Are you enjoying your food? What is that? What is this? Huh? Say to your hi, guys. What are you eating? What is that? Tell, what is that? Noodles. And then, it's yummy. Abe? Agoy mo. So, for our main course, meron tayong jeera rice. May biryani pa tayo later. In-order namin para sa mga bata kasi walang anghang. Hey! You want rice, Rain? You want rice? You don't want rice? Shall I feed you?
Do you want biryani? Want biryani?
So, kada mag-order ka nga pala ng biryani, guys, may sherva. Parang ano to? And
And raita. This is raita, right? Oh, raita. Curd siya na may halo ng mga coriander and onions. And jeera rice. So mamaya may biryani pa tayo. So let's wait for that one. For our next dish is Chiti Motiala Pulav. Ayan, chicken siya. Ito yung prawns. Ito yung prawns. Ha? Okay. So we just now wash our hands. So we're going down to dessert. I ordered honey almond. Ha? Chocolate ice cream. Parang reklamo mo, Day. Taas, Tata. Tata, chocolate ice cream. Here it is. What is this?
Apricot delight.
Apricot delight.
You had read one time, but remember?
Yeah.
Oh, I know. What spoon nugget chante? Spoon nugget spoon.
Hindi namin orderan si Bina ng ice cream kasi ano nga diabetic siya. Gusto niya kumain. Sarap ng apricot delight.
Ma, give it to them also.
Para siyang ano, okay. Tama?
Chale, nana. Buti nana.
Can you please give me rain, Mama Rain? May rain, ah. Ang laki naman rain. Thank you, Rain. Ang laki naman, Rain. So, may sinabi sa akin si Hipag, guys. May papakita ako sa inyo. Ito daw yung mga sinaunang kagamitan ng mga Indiano. Ito papakita ko sa inyo. Ayan daw mga, ayan, lalagyan. Ayan daw yung mga, parang mga sinaunang modelo ng utensils ng mga Indiano. Nakaka-amaze lang. Ang ganda ng restaurant, guys. Ang cozy ng ambience niya. Tapos sa taas nito bar. Kasi usually, guys, dito sa India, sabihin natin dahil mga konserbatibo yung mga tao, iinan ng mga establishmento dito na may mga alcohol drinks. So ito sa itaas yung bar, tapos dito sa baba itong kinakainan namin is yung restaurant. So it's very nice. Sana ma-experience ko one time. So magki-cake cutting tayo, guys. Itong pinaka-importanting event ng mga Indian guys pag may birthday. Dapat okay na sa kanilang walang handa. Importante makapag-cake cutting sila.
Event na rin.
Whose birthday, Rain? Tata o Rain? Rain birthday. Happy birthday, Tata. Rain? Happy birthday, Tata Rain.
Look at me up. Upo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Nana.
తెల్లది ఇదొద్దు లోపలిది అదేం గచ్చింది లోపలిది
Wait.
అందులో అదే పెట్టండి క్రీమ్ పెట్టేసినారా
Whose birthday, Rain? Rain, no tata. Whose birthday? Rain, no tata. Rain birthday. Ako ka na rin birthday. Rain, whose birthday? Rain? Or Tata? Ha? Tata birthday. Whose birthday? Whose birthday? Rain. Happy birthday, Rain! Happy birthday, Rain! Advance! Ito yung kamukha ni Rain eh, si Mama ya.
Ray, happy birthday.
Advance! Advance happy birthday! Sandukan niyo muna si Loreng, hindi naman
Hindi.
kain tie-dye.
Kusukina undu biskuta.
మళ్ళా ఎందుకమ్మా ఏడ్చేదమ్మా ఏడ్చేది ఎందుకు తల్లి ఏడ్చేది వద్దుమా మా అమ్మ
చూడన్నా ఆ చేయి సరిగ్గా కొంచెం